Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x plus 1. Because we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides for this one. First derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have number 2. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Next, we divide both sides by number 2 because we don't have number 2 in here. So this one we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. Number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. So u divide by u to the power of 4 over 3. Number 1 divide by u to the power of 4 over 3. Now we need to simplify this one and we have negative 1 over 3. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and then we put about c. Now we have the final answer. This one we have 2 over 3. This one we have negative 1 over 3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.